Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Maskati Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4, and I'm your teacher Mr. Dartiza. Virtual classroom rules. Like all the good students already following the rules to be focused. Unit number 2, growth and movement in living things. Today we'll review unit number 1. Reading book page number 12 and 13, do some for notebook work, question number 1, part B and C, then recapitulation, and then after that, quiz. So let's get started, students. First of all, we'll review unit number 1. So are you ready, students? We are moving on to the site in which there is a name of human body organs. We'll check, and then you can do it by your own as well. Here are the organs name, and you have to listen the voice and then put it. Okay, this voice will come to check that what is the correct name. If you forgot to write, you can do it 3 or 4 times. Okay, so learn parts of the human body. Isn't it interesting, students? And even you can check your marks. Ooh, you got 10 out of 10. So now we are moving on to the today's reading session, students. Movements. Movement in animals. Animals can move parts of their bodies. They can also move from one place to another. Animals have special body parts that help them to move. Fish have fins to swim in water. Birds and insects have wings to fly. Most animals like rabbits, monkeys, and kangaroos have legs to walk, hop, jump, or crawl on land. Some large animals like dolphins, whales, sharks, and seals have flippers to swim in water. You can see the flippers. Flippers. Okay, now moving on to the next page. Book page number 13. Muscles make your body move. Some of your muscles are joined to the bones. The point where two bones fit together is called a joint. The framework of bones is called a skeleton. The framework of bones is called a skeleton. Bones move at the joints. Muscles help the bones to move by becoming short and fat. Some animals do not have bones inside their bodies. They have a hard outer covering. Muscles are attached to it. The hard outer covering is called an exoskeleton. Okay, the hard outer covering, that one. Okay, ants and cockroaches are examples of creatures that have exoskeletons. Some animals like earthworms do not have any bones or exoskeletons. Their bodies are soft. They use their muscles to crawl. The body of a caterpillar is soft. It is filled with a watery substance. This water supports its body and helps it to move. You can see how earthworms and caterpillar moves. Now some notebook work. Today is April 21, student, and Wednesday. It's unit number 2, growth and movement in living things. Part B. Name some of the ways in which animals move. Most animals have legs to walk, hop, jump, or crawl. Fish have fins to swim. Some large animals have flippers to swim. Birds and insects have wings to fly. Have to do this work in notebook and learn this all. You can write in your own words as well. Now we are moving on to the next question, part C. What is the difference between a skeleton and an exoskeleton? A skeleton. The framework of bones is called a skeleton. Exoskeleton. The hard outer covering of an animal is called exoskeleton. That is skeleton. And now all the down insects shown the example of exoskeleton: cockroaches, shrimps, ants, butterfly, and spiders. It's a trivia time, students. We already know about that living things can breathe, can use energy, reproduce, grow and develop, response to their environment, adapt to their environment, and have cells. And non-living things, they do not do anything that living things can do. Now, did you know, student? Fish have dash to swim, whales and seals have dash to swim. Some and insects have wings to fly. Dash animals that have legs to hop. The framework of bones is called dash. So these are the answer. Fish have fins to swim. Whales and seals have flipper to swim. Some birds and insects have wings to fly. Kangaroo animal that have legs to hop. The framework of bones is called skeleton. Now it's quiz time. Now, who will tell me that which one is an example of exoskeleton? A cockroach or skeleton? Human body skeleton. Yes, you are right. Cockroaches is example of exoskeleton. So that will be all for today, students. Have a very nice and blessed day. Thank you, everyone.